Don't mess my music. Don't mess my music. It's your mood today, yeah?
Huh?
Funky music.
Yeah, I'm trying to get energy to tidy my car.
And then, yeah, there's some another ships in there. Run away from us. Run away from you, I think.
Stop it.
Bobby, run away from you. Not me.
I found a spot. Go and come tonight. I got one last year.
That's last year.
One last year, a few days before I left. Just because I got caught in a national park.
Yeah.
Ah, really?
Yeah, it should be right now. Do you have one?
Yeah, he got it.
$40?
80? For 2 months, yeah?
2 months.
Oh.
That's a lot.
Hmm.
But you can still save money because if you're going four times in the national park,
Yes.
you're gonna save money.
Oh, if you go to that today, maybe it's gonna be save your life, yeah?
Yeah.
Today, if you go, it's gonna be
This is
full.
my third.
Third. Still?
Oh, wait. No, this is my fourth. Yeah.
Yeah.
You coming?
Where?
National park.
National Park? How long? Dance again. So many stuff. Everyday cleaning.
시원한 컷.
Actually, it's too long for me. Oh, okay. But looks
Why you?
I
Well,
like
that's like
it.
a grandma, right?
Fuck you.
Wow.
My baby.
You're such a
What you
hippie.
want to eat?
You're
You told me I'm a grandma. You wanna eat something, baby? Yes. Yeah, the buckets. Yeah, bye guys.
very realistic.
Bye. Oh, looks cool, eh?
Oh.
Looks cool, eh?
Yeah, but I need longer. I need longer one.
Where is it?
Oh, the other one.
네, the other one.
I can tie it and try, kids.
Alright, you want to go in the real river?
Yeah, it's time to go. We're ready.
Yeah, I saw the mom is
I told you, we should.
Ain't too deep.
Show me, show me. So good, so good. Ahe. What? So good, so good. How come?
Oh, this looks so interesting.
This book?
Yeah.
What? Oh yeah? Ashley's one. From last year. Oh,
I don't know. This is Ash's spot.
we're so almost climb, yeah? Climbing. With a beautiful moon. 아주 one foot or one foot open?
That's okay.
What you want? It's crazy, yeah.
Good night.
Ah, can you get back here? Stop, please.
Yeah.
There's so many stuff here.
Good training, isn't it?
I feel like some, military thing. We knew it, right? We knew it. I knew it. So naked, yeah? Because you just put on you just put the rocks on, only rocks. Happy? Of course, happy. I didn't say hello, eh? Option.
So many mosquitoes.
Yeah, here's this crazy mosquito. Campground. Your place. You come inside.
Hi.
Smells like wet doggy smell.
Smells like wet borough.
Anyways, looks like pretty sweet home, yeah?
Really good. Oh, why is it so comfy? Maybe just.
Never
Oh,
saw
it smells really like wet dog, hey?
Yeah, wet dog. It's really like a wet doggy. What's that? It's your new neighborhood.
You get lost of that, yeah.
Your mate. Your roommate.
Ooh.
Put some name on that.
Ooh.
Freddy and...
So well, it looks like a tiny little rock.
What's the name?
It looks like a piece of bark.
Wow, it looks Eh?
Woody big Woody big nose.
So looks like so interesting, you know? I've never seen like this bug before. So cute.
Elephant twig insect.
Eh? Is it the real name?
It's a elephant rhino insect
Oh, yeah?
bug.
Freddy's new friend.
응?
So cute, yeah?
응? 뭐야 이게?
사막이에요, 사막.
사막이처럼 생긴 것 같은데?
What? 이렇게 큰 데 중에서 프레디 텐트는 한 여기 있지. 한 개도 안 보인다.
조용히 하고 살아. 도와주지도 않고.
조사하고 있냐? 잘 조사하네.
안 도와줄 거야.
못 와줄까, 못 와줄까.
도와줄까? 조용히 하기. 땀 물기. 아니야. 어때?
아, 말이 심하네.
아,
저 여자친구한테 입닥치고 있으라는 거야?
아니 뭐 도와줄 거 물어봤어. 내가 도움이 필요한 거 얘기한 거지. 나는 그게 제일 도움이 될 것 같은데 지금.
싸가지 없어.
응.
싸가지 없어.
뭐 한두 번이다.
너무 없어.
한두 번이냐고.